In this short video tutorial, I am going to show you how to sell stocks on your Cash App investing account. Now, we're going to go through this step by step so you can follow along and sell your own stocks. So let's start by opening Cash App. Then go to the home screen. Here, you will see your current balance or the banking icon if you don't have any money available. From here, scroll down until you see the Save and Invest section. Then tap on Stocks. This will open your Cash App investing page where you can view your investments. Scroll down until you see your stocks. Here, you will find all of the stocks that you currently own. For example, I am going to select one of my stocks and open the stock details page. Once you're on the stock page, all you have to do is tap Sell. After that, you will see an overview of the sale. This will show you details like the stock you're selling, the number of shares, the estimated amount you will receive, where the money will go, and any fees that may apply. If everything looks correct, continue with the sale. If the stock market is currently closed, Cash App may schedule the order for the next market opening. Additionally, if the market is open, the sale can go through right away. Once the order is confirmed, your stock will be sold and the money will be added back to your Cash App balance. And that's how you can sell stocks on your Cash App account. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.